White Claw.
That's your claw, not mine.
Come on, you're covering up the White Claw sign.
Are you paid?
There you go.
Only paid sponsors do these things.
Oh, baby. Eventually, you gotta put in that time before you get paid.
I think black cherry's better than raspberry. You don't like black cherry? Oh, how do you know you can't see? You should do a selfie stuff and you can see what you're doing to yourself right now.
So hold on,
Big head stretching out that hat.
before you're opening it up, you have to let us know, like, where's it from, and who's it to, and like what's going on.
It's always from Macy's.
Okay.
To Ashley.
Okay. Ashley what?
Culture.
How do you spell it?
Can you hit me with a zoom?
I can't hit you with a zoom. I don't know what I'm doing. So how do you spell it?
Fulcher.
Alright, perfect.
You need to take some classes if you're gonna learn how to be the cameraman.
Alright, girl.
You don't even know how to zoom the camera.
I will eventually. What is it?
It's my kimono.
What's a kimono?
It's like a long jacket.
Oh, baby.
It's kind of hard to see with my sweatshirt on, but then I'll be able to like be that woman that always wears the kimonos. Just call me Kimono Dragon. Yeah. There's a big old box for this.
How many glasses? 8? 8 glasses?
8 glasses, but the unique thing, I can open it, about this is it comes, see I'm a sommelier now that we went to Napa. It comes with...
I just enhanced the color. Now it's just like so vibrant. I don't know what I did, but you just look amazing.
Thank you. So see, this is like white glass, red glass.
Looks the same.
This one's skinnier and taller, and this one's shorter and fatter. This is like you, and this is me.
No.
Yeah, they're very substantial.
That's us kissing?
Hmm?
That's us kissing?
Yeah.
What does that remind you of?
Napa.
Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I was watching the video.
You were drunk. These are my boots. And the boots better come with the extra shoestrings. Hey! See?
So what's gonna happen when you return them without the shoestring?
I'm gonna have to ask for forgiveness. Can't help it that they didn't give me. Nobody rocks their hat like that. I've never seen anyone in New York with their hat like that.
They're not a real New Yorker though.
Oh,
I don't know where they're from.
rock and roll. Okay. You ready for fall decor 2019?
Ready?
How excited are you to see everything?
Super excited.
Look at all the shit I bought.
It's about time.
I'm a day late and $1 short. Okay. First, let's start with the essentials. I bought you toothpaste
Oh, thank you.
and Vaseline
Yeah.
for your crack fields. Okay. So I got 2 table runners. You know what table runners are?
Yeah, we're gonna put them over the table.
Oh, very good. So tell me, that's just the feeler dough. Tell me which one you like, this one or this one. You look real confused. I'll leave them here while you're debating. And
What
I'll
do you
grab
think?
the rest of the stuff.
I kind of like this one a little bit more.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm shook.
But if we're gonna be festive for Halloween,
that's what I was
then
going for.
we'll choose that one.
Okay, so we'll see which one looks better. Okay, for the first item, can you guess what it is?
It's one of those vases.
Hey, I'm being festive. It's a squash.
Oh wow.
You like it?
Figured it was those squash and not a pumpkin.
It goes with our black and white things.
Oh, that looks great.
Right?
Are you gonna put those there?
No, I'm gonna, like, they're gonna go with those black and white dishes I got from at home. Okay, next.
Oh, that's
Isn't
awesome.
that cute?
Where are you gonna put that one?
I'll show you. It's gonna go in the middle of the table. Number 16. How many of those do we have now? I wish we could get rid of some. These also for the table.
So excited.
Right? It's like Christmas. This guy. And he lights up!
Oh.
Yeah.
Do we have to put batteries in it?
Yeah. But that's okay. Oh look, a straw.
I wonder where that came from.
I don't know. And then I got these or these, depending on which runner I keep, because if I keep this one, I'm gonna do this color. If I keep that one, I'm gonna do that color. Then look for Christmas! Llamas. You know what they are?
Go away.
They're ornaments for the tree.
Yeah. I'm excited to pick out our tree.
Aren't they so cute?
Do you guys do shelf on an elf?
Elf on a shelf?
Elf on a shelf, whatever.
That's for kids. And then I got these. And you know what will go inside these? Remember those like
Candies?
no, I can't. The little tea lights. The little ones that are battery operated.
Okay.
He lights up too. Mercury glass.
Wow.
Cool, huh?
Wow.
Okay.
So what inspired you to be all festive?
I was just walking through HomeGoods and I started, you know, at church this day talked about the difference between condemnation and conviction.
Okay.
And condemnation is something that you've already asked for forgiveness for and moved on with your life about. And conviction is just like something you feel guilty about.
Okay.
And I felt convicted.
Why did you feel convicted?
I don't know. I thought I should be a good wife and like decorate the house for the holidays.
So I'm glad we went to church today. Yeah, we need to get some real ones and carve some pumpkins.
One step at a time, won't you? Don't get ahead of yourself. Okay, so first things first, you better hope one of those runners fits. Mulchie!
All right, I guess that one's out the question.
No, but I can get two and sew them together. Why do we have to have such a long table? So I guess I'll just leave that one and get two. Because that one looks better with the chairs than this one.
Yeah.
The orange is clashing.
Yeah.
But for now, you'll get the idea. Get this. Oh, it's so cute.
Wow. Looks good. Wow. Where'd you get the vision?
My brain. I just started scooting around the store, seeing stuff. You know what I'm saying? Now's the question. Do I use the orange ones?
I think the orange ones will go better. Add the contrast to it.
Now, the finishing touch. Now I just got to get one more thing and sew them together. I can do that.
Good job.
Happy?
Happy.
Happy holiday.
It's about time.
Hiya.